If, as an accountant or an advisor to an individual or to a company, you become aware that that individual or company might be facing insolvency proceedings, this clearly could have an impact upon your own business and practice. Not only because obviously you would not wish to lose fee income by the client becoming insolvent and no longer trading, but also because as a close advisor of that business, you may find that there are requirements upon you to assist an insolvency practitioner with information with regard to the company, most usually with regard to its tax affairs and any transactions between the company and its directors and perhaps associated businesses and companies. If you are not minded perhaps to readily provide this information, it can be that as the holder of information, you might even be required to appear before a court to provide that information. And this can obviously involve you in significant amounts of time away from your more profitable work. So it is always sensible to either work with an insolvency practitioner, or indeed if you anticipate the client is beginning to suffer financial distress, to seek advice yourself from an expert as soon as possible in order to minimise the impact on your own cash flow, but also to give yourself the opportunity to decide what further information might be needed by an insolvency practitioner to deal with the case, and prepare to provide that information in such a way that an insolvency practitioner may then be able to provide a rescue solution for your client and therefore ensure their survival and the continuation of your fee income. Far better that you work with an insolvency practitioner and provide information which assists the rescue than find yourself later in a position where you're being required to attend court or to answer correspondence purely to allow an insolvency practitioner to comply with his investigatory duties, but with no real prospect even of seeing any return for your effort. If you work in advance with an insolvency practitioner to achieve a rescue scenario, this will preserve your fee income and also maximise the return you get against any outstanding historic debt.